See that left foreleg?
So it's been like that since he had the accident a year ago. I fell down the stairs. Yeah.
This is the problem here. You can actually see, as sort of, when I do that, the muscles sort of tend to contract. It's flinching. That's the vertebrae there that's pinching the nerve. Looking at it before, and it's so flexed there, which means it's going up forward and then he's loading this shoulder area there. So he's taken something, this one he's taken up. Look at this, like he just doesn't want to sort of straighten up. And it's okay, just a little one there. So be really careful, these little dogs. Just want to get it there. Bit more, Ernie. That's it. That's it.
Okay. Probably had a fall year and a half ago down some stairs.
Yeah, this is really bad. This is where it's all happening. This one here. Just try and get my fingers on that. So I just have to drop that down. It's okay. Doesn't like it at all. Bit more, Ernie, bit more. Just get you to hold his head. That's it. Okay. Wow, there we go. That's releasing now. Good boy, Ernie. Cool. Good release on that. You can see the difference in his left leg, yeah. And that's just give him another 2 days and they'll improve a lot more, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Oh, that's much better.
Very much better.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. That's amazing.